Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday and we're gonna go back to Manila kasi birthday ng mom ko bukas. And then my two sisters, birthday din ng December. So, sabay-sabay yung celebration. We're gonna eat at a Chinese restaurant which I featured in one of my vlogs. Palace Dynasty. So, we're gonna eat there. Siyaw lang pa! Super dirty mirror, guys. But this is my look for today. Naka-backpack ako which I got from District 21. Patrong shades, District 21. Now here sa may Mall of Asia. Ayan, nagpipicture-picture lang kami kasi nakapila pa kami sa S. Maison. DT, happy birthday! Dito kami kakain, guys. Paradise pala, hindi pala Palace. Paradise Dynasty. Nom!
Shout out.
Kanino?
Hi, Jen.
Gel?
Jen.
Si Papa. Gel. Ang cute ng backpack, guys, diba? I love it. Bongga yan. Pero masakit sa likod kapag madaming dala. Ay, ako kasi dala lagi. And bumili si Ate ng patingin. Our favorite! Dati and Veronica. Pero baka ulit-ulitin naman yung mga story.
Parang hindi na. Ay,
magkano to? Ay, 99 na lang?
99 na lang.
Yeah, the hot tea.
Ito po.
Ito kami sa loob. Namimiss ko na sa vlogs, ah. Orders are coming in. Ano ito yung seaweed? Jellyfish. Yummy sliced beef noodle soup.
Shanghai pork pancake. Kaya na kayo yung bowl?
Partial toasted shopal, guys. Look at this. Yung bottom niya toasted. Mongga. Ow! Init, girl. Papa, yung sabaw yan, ah. Ispoon mo kay Papa.
Bawal na kasi.
Ay, oo nga pala. Oh.
First po, we recommend to start with the original, then the ginseng, clockwise po to Szechuan, lettuce to strawberry.
Yan na yun, guys, yung flavor.
And enjoy it while it's hot. Thank you. Thank you.
So much food. I'm so busog na, guys. I love it. She ordered more sialang pao. Yeah, black chocolate.
Naantay ka na nga ng manok.
Thank you so much to Paradise Dynasty. Bigyan na kami ng GC nung kumain kami. Nag-ano kami food tasting. Love it. So mag-a-add na lang. Si Easy na lang yung kumakain. My gosh. Done eating. Now it's time for
Dessert.
ice cream. Mag-CR muna kami kasi maganda yung CR dito. Very white. Here's my outfit for the day. Yung shoes ko from District 21. Shorts from H&M. Yes, nakamaong shorts ko ulit. Yes. Top from, ko alam, bag, District 21. Okay, so from BT, ano sabi sa'yo?
Bababa dyan. Papuntang mezzanine.
So mamayang gabi meron tayong dine in the dark in Makati. Or mamaya pa naman yan. So, I was supposed to do laundry. Pero sabi ko, tomorrow na lang. Hi, Jen.
Hi sa mga nagre-review dyan.
Huwag ka kayo mag-review. Okay,
Uy, wag ka.
Hi, doggy! Oh! German Shepherd. He's so cute! Doggy! Hi! Smile! Nakakulot din noon ni Papa eh. Huwag mo yung kulot pa. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Sisilaw ka. Gusto mo shades? Shades? Ayan. Smile! Smile! Hi, baby! Love, love! Bye, baby! Love you, baby! Bye-bye! Love you, Doggy! Doggy! Hi, Doggy! Papi! Hi! Ang payat niya. Mukha siyang deer. Hi, baby bear! Hi! Ang payat. Kitty boys! High pitch lagi lahat ng makitang aso. Hi, baby hotdog! Hello! Laki ng ulo. Hi! Si Topi. Mama naman. Cutie. Magnum ice cream, guys. So, make your own yan. 3 toppings. Tapos, pipili ka kung anong color ng chocolate ba yun? Yan. This is what I ordered. Chocolate. Tapos, i-dip niya.
Dark milk or white?
Milk. Yum. Ay, ganun.
Oh, that's one time.
Talaga?
Chocolate or vanilla ice cream, ma'am?
Drizzle po.
White. Ay, ano ba yan? White yun ang sama. Tapos, ang pinakalas yung ano nila, chocolate na may M. Yay! Thank you! Hot chocolate for Papa.
Okay, hi. Here at Noche, all of us are legally blind, and you might be wondering how you're going to be eating inside. Here's our black system. At 9 o'clock, it's going to be your forks, and on 3 p.m. it's going to be your spoon and your knife, and at 12 it's going to be your dessert spoon, and at 1 it's going to be your water.
Ayan, so tapos na kami mag-dine in the dark. And meron silang yung menu actually nandito. Meat kami. Ay, shucks. Meat. There. Sarap, guys. Love it. And if you choose Chef's Surprise, meron din. Tapos ang vegetarian, meron din, guys. Car elevator. O, tama. Actually, ako din. Cool! Cool! Ngayon lang nakakasakit ng ganito, girl. Woo! So we're here at the Thanksgiving Merry Christmas party with Sparkin. Our company, we're gonna have si Joyce. Oh, hindi makakapili si Joyce. Hindi siya makakapili. Anyway, we're gonna eat some food. Pasta, salmon, and chimichurri chicken with tomato and basil soup.
Everyone will get something to bring home. We'll call na lang someone to go home. Can we start with the boys? Kasi majority of our...
They gave everyone gifts, guys. Thank you so much, Sparkit. Binigyan nila ako ng Burger King, GC's, food yan, guys. And then, ito, hindi ko lang sure kung anong laman. And of course, sobrang saya ako dito, guys. Kasi nga, diba, household stuff. Love it. Thank you so much. Guys, I want a bag. Ang cute na paper bag. Sobrang laki ng bag. Wonder. That's so cute. Oh, so cute.
Wow, oh my God!
Sobrang ganda na ng Justin Rochelle. Saan mo nabili ulit? Sa Laura. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda. And your hair. Yung gumawa? Totoong hair yan? Ay, kala ko totoong hair. Ang ganda. I love it. Mag-ano kami? Poppers. Yeah.
Picture lang, wala dito ba siya?
guys. Super helpful. Malaki yung paper bag. So, lahat kakasya sa loob. Yay! Dinner. Din tayo. Ang cute talaga yun ng bag. Natago. Fried pork noodles.
Mr. Chicken Shalong Pao.
Okay.
Lang po. Ah, pipicture ba
Hindi,
nila?
okay lang. Go lang.
And your pork and roasted garlic.
Chocolate xiaolong pao. And
Ito, careful lang po.
ito yung yolk, di ba? Yeah. Yummy, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Okay.